It's time to fast-track your vision in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where lightweight vehicles and smart factory solutions come to life in the hands of ingenious pioneers such as TPV Automotive, one of the leading development and pre-development suppliers in the automotive industry, who has been improving driving dynamics for more than 60 years. Today, TPV Automotive is creating the mobility of the future with technical solutions for lighter, safer electric cars and defining the Industry 4.0 trend as one of the pioneers of robotization in Slovenia.
At TPV Automotive, we have been developing and connecting advanced solutions to provide safer, more efficient and more eco-friendly mobility of the future. We innovate on every level and in every field. By constantly pushing the limits of our abilities, we stay on top of the global automotive industry and comply with even the most demanding car makers.
Believing that the most important part of the car are the people inside, TPV Automotive optimizes vehicles by reducing their weight, raw material consumption and emissions. Its innovative products have impressed the most prominent car manufacturers in the world and will become part of the future generation of electric automobiles. With smart projects such as the TPV4 Lite, TPV Automotive confirms its leading role in the production of lightweight vehicles and the future of mobility. By being green, creative and smart, it is an example of the inventive Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Push the boundaries in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.